All right, so this isn't the first time that Arizona recently came into the news for making a change to some auto laws. One of them recently was the cell phone, the hands-free law that they've done. Well, here's another law that was signed by Doug Ducey, and the change is going to happen July 1st, 2020. But currently, right now, as of today, you are required to have a minimum amount of auto insurance before driving a vehicle. And that minimum amount, the state minimum coverage, and a lot of people say, hey, I just want the minimum, is at $15,000 per person and $30,000 per incident. And that is honestly unbelievably low. Most accidents are going to require a whole lot more than that. And so what happened is the law that was changed, the state minimum coverage is going from $15,000 per person and $30,000 per incident to you are now going to be required to have auto insurance that is at least $25,000 per person and $50,000 per incident. So everybody in the state of Arizona is going to be required to have more insurance coverage to drive their vehicles in the state. Now, some people think like, whoa, is that going to really increase stuff? No. I actually think this is really, really good. And the reason why it's really good is because I don't want to be put in an accident with somebody and have it be their fault and all they have is the state minimum of the $15,000, $30,000, because it is very likely that the accident's going to cost more than what they have coverage for. And I want to make sure that the insurance is going to cover everything, all parts of that accident if possible. So I'm glad that the people driving around me, driving around my family, driving around my children are going to be required to have better, more robust insurance. Now, we did a blog about this, and in the blog there's a link to it that can teach you some things that you can do to still keep your insurance costs reasonable, manageable, while this increase happens, along with some other details of what is coming along with this law. So check it out at moneywellrooted.com/blog, moneywellrooted.com/blog. It is titled Big Changes Coming to Arizona Auto Insurance. Big changes coming to Arizona auto insurance. Doug Ducey signed a bill, starts July 1st of 2020, and that's when you're going to be required to have a higher amount of auto insurance, more coverage, just to drive your vehicle legally in the state of Arizona. So check out that blog and enjoy some of those tips and tricks that we had put into it. Have a great day. Most people fall into YouTube holes that aren't productive. Subscribe or check out some of our other videos by clicking over here, and I promise it'll be a YouTube hole worth your while.